Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Entrepreneurship Week 9, Assignment 9. So the first question is, there is a probably no hard and fast rule when founders should hand over their startups to professional CEOs. The key metrics would be, so these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the nature of CEO selection and leadership transition depends on the evolutionary stage of the startup. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is, for founder to CEO transition to be successful in a startup, the CEO must possess beyond technical and business skills. So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is C. Cultural skills and fit. Now the third question is, an effective CEO is one who has. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, CEO cultural capabilities beside technical and business skills. Culture of governance, culture of collaboration, culture of connectivity, culture of sustainability. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is, one of the important CEO characteristics, even if for an all powerful CEO, is to have. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A. The humility of advocacy. Now, the fifth question is, in terms of ensuring good corporate governance, a startup must have the following from the very beginning. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A. A board comprising independent experts and leaders, including the founder and CEO founder. Now, the sixth question is, Tata Motors making a giant global acquisition of JLR may be seen as reflecting. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, big corporation can set an example with entrepreneurial decision. Tata Consultant Service, Tata Steel. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Entrepreneurial approach. Now the seventh question is, as per Global Entrepreneurship Monitor 2019, among 54 countries who participated in the survey, India has the top ranking in dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, government policy support and relevance 6.33. 1 by 54. So the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is, if one were to go by the Illinois University model to 2019 University Entrepreneurship Index, Indian startups have to do a lot more in the following area. So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, unlike in India, investments in biomedical and biotechnology at USD 583 MN constitute a large percentage, 47% of the total overall funding of US dollar 1.24 billion across 10 sectors in Illinois. So the answer of our eighth question is A. Now the ninth question is, increase in entrepreneurship is proportional to increase in the following fundamentally. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, more STEM graduates nationality, more universities ensuring leading edge scientific and technological innovation, greater funding for leading edge startups and more startups. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Now the 10th question is, structurally the Japanese industrial ecosystem enables technological innovation. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, structurally the Japanese industrial ecosystem enable technological innovation across the value chain. So the answer of our 10th question is B, all across the value chain. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.